Good morning, traders. Let's break down everything happening in gold because the market is entering a very important phase. Gold is currently trading around 4,150 region and remains under pressure after another wave of selling hitting the market yesterday. Now that was very interesting. And the story driving gold has completely shifted now. A couple of weeks ago, everyone was focused on the conflict between the United States and Iran. Today, the traders are focused almost entirely on the Federal Reserve interest rates and the US dollar. Yesterday, gold sold off as the dollar strengthened and the markets increased their expectations that the Fed could still raise rates before the end of the year. And that's a problem for gold. Higher interest rates support the dollar, supports the bond yields, and increase the opportunity for the cost of holding non-yielding assets like gold. At the same time, negotiations between the United States and Iran continue to show signs of progress. The market is becoming increasingly comfortable with the idea that oil supplies will improve and that some of the geopolitical risks premium is actually fading. We're also seeing oil prices continuing to fall as traders price in the increased supply and demand in Iran. Normally, lower oil prices would help gold because they reduce inflation pressures. But right now, the market supply doesn't care as much about oil. The focus is on the Fed. Now, let's look on the chart. On the 4-hour time frame, the structure remains bearish. We are still seeing lower highs and lower lows. The recovery attempts towards the 4,350 region completely failed, and sellers continue to step in with every rally. So the key level I'm watching today is 4,200. If buyers can reclaim and hold that 4,200, we could see a move towards 4,250. And possibly to 4,350. However, if the price remains below 4,2 today, guys, we are going to see maybe 4,1, 4,050, or even 4,000, guys. My buy still remains bearish while gold trades below 4,200. And remember, the next major event on the calendar is PCE, inflation later this week, guys. That data could be the catalyst that determines the next major move for gold. So if you're enjoying these daily breakdowns, make sure you follow the page. And if you're serious about becoming a disciplined and consistent trader, don't forget to register for our live webinar happening on the 30th of June. Trade safe, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next update. So always, guys, happy trading.